Hey guys, it's Bree the Coupon Queen. Welcome back to my channel. So we finally made it to CVS. Earlier this morning, I went to Walgreens. There was an amazing booster that was expiring today, so I wanted to get that one out of the way before I came over to CVS. So if you haven't checked out that video, I did post it a few hours ago. One of the transactions was a $25 moneymaker. There were amazing Ibotta rebates going on right now at Walgreens, and we're gonna do even more at CVS. So if you don't have that app yet, make sure you get it downloaded. Here is my code. If you don't have it downloaded, put in this referral code. You'll get additional cash back. And if you don't know how to use the Ibotta app, click this video above. That'll show you everything on how to use the Ibotta app. I will try to have it listed at the end of the video as well. So at CVS, I'm gonna do 2, maybe 3 transactions. I'm gonna try to do that beauty bag scenario. I have already been hearing from a lot of you guys that you have to spend $30 like after coupons and CRTs or it's not working and they have to push it through. This is the CVS that used to help me a ton, but now the new manager is saying that they're not allowed to push anything through anymore. So fingers crossed, we can figure it out and get that to work. Not really sure, I'll let you guys know at the end. If you're not subscribed to the channel yet, make sure you hit that subscribe button and the notification bell. Let's go ahead, go inside, see what amazing deals we can do. We are gonna be getting free Huggies. Free diapers. So if you're needing some free diapers, stay tuned. I'll show you guys exactly how to do it. Okay, the first deal we're gonna do is on the Nivea body wash. We're gonna do the men's because they're cheaper. The women's are like $7.99 each. So we're gonna pick up any 2 of these that are included. They're buy 2, get a $5 extra buck. So the coupons we're gonna use is this 3 off of 2 coupon from the 510 Smart Source, I believe. Then I have this 3 off of 12 body wash CRT that I'm gonna use as well. I'm gonna pay $5.98, get back a $5 extra buck. Final cost is gonna be about 49 cents each. If my math is correct, it will all be listed in the printable breakdown, of course, listed in the description box. Okay guys, so this is the deal I'm most excited to bring you today. It is on the Huggies and we are gonna get them completely free. So I'll show you exactly how. So what I'm gonna do is pick up 2 of these pull-ups. They're on sale, 2 for $20, and when you spend $20, you get a $5 extra buck. So we need 3T, 4T. You can pick up obviously whichever ones you're needing. These pull-ups are included, so on and so forth. These cool ones for guys, for little boys, are included as well. I'm gonna pick up 2 of these. Okay, now it's time for the coupons. There weren't any digital coupons available, unfortunately, but there are some printable coupons and a $2 coupon. So this is the $2 coupon from today's Smart Source insert. So the 517 Smart Source insert. So we're gonna use this on one of them. Then if you register on HuggiesPullups.com, you can print out this $2 off 1 coupon as well. That'll take off $4. Then I'm gonna use this 3 off of 18 diapers and baby products CRT that I sent to my card. So we're gonna pay $13 out of pocket. You can use extra bucks to pay, you can use Fetch Rewards gift cards, whatever you'd like. Then we're gonna get back a $5 extra buck. Now it gets even better. We're gonna submit it to Ibotta. We're gonna get back $2.50 each. That'll give us back $5 right there. And submit your receipt to Fetch Rewards. There are a ton of different bonus items showing on my account. Accounts do vary, so just check your account, see what kind of bonus points you can get for Huggies. There are 3,000 point bonus when you submit your receipt and you have one of these on it. That'll give us back another $3. If you don't have Fetch Rewards yet, here is my code, J24VT. Scan your first receipt within 7 days of doing, like putting in that code and downloading the app. This would be a great item to put And to scan that receipt, you'll get an additional 2,750 points. When you hit 3,000, you can cash out for a gift card, and they do have CVS, so that is how I will be paying my out-of-pocket. That way I'll be paying $0. So after all of the rebates and everything, our final cost is completely free for 2 things of diapers. I'm so excited about that deal, and I hope you guys are as well. Okay, so I'm gonna give it a shot with the Skintimate deal. Fingers crossed, everyone, that it works for me and I can actually use all my CRTs. So this week they're on sale $5.99, which is already some really great savings. And when you buy 3, you'll get a $5 extra buck. So some of my subscribers said that the vanilla, I think they watched Jody Dunn's channel, and she said the vanilla worked. So we're gonna give that a shot. I picked up 3 of the vanilla. We have $3 coupons from coupons.com, and I have this $3 digital coupon. Now, I actually have 2 $3 digitals, so if you haven't used a digital from previously, you may still have it. So double check, you may be able to do 2 digitals, and then you can use this paper coupon as well. There's also a coupon from today's inserts, the 517 Smart Source. I have a 3 off of 12 shave CRT. It's all wrinkled, it was stuck in my purse. And this 4 off of 2 razor CRT. So if everything goes according to plan, I should pay $1.97, get back the $5 extra buck. So final cost will be free and a $3.03 moneymaker. Here is another great Ibotta rebate for you. So Tampax is on sale, buy 1, get 1 half off, but these are not included in that. I scanned it at the red box and it wasn't showing buy 1, get 1 half off. So keep that in mind. But if you pick up this one, it is $7.99. You can use this $2 digital coupon. Then on Ibotta, make sure you activate the rebate. It is $3 cash back. So final cost for this would be just $2.99, which is definitely not a bad deal for some organic cotton tampons. So here is an amazing deal on Summer's Eve wipes. They're on sale this week. Buy 1, get 1 half off. Buy 2, get a $3 extra buck. It is a limit of 1. So what I'm gonna do is pick up 3 of these, and I'll tell you why in a minute, just based on my CRT. Actually, I'm gonna get 2 of the aloe. Okay, so I have this $4 off of 3 CRT that I sent to my card, and I have this $2 off 2 feminine wipes and washes CRT. That'll take off $6. I will be left to pay $3.47 out of pocket. Then I'm gonna get back that $3 extra buck. So final cost is gonna be 47 cents for all 3 of these wipes. I'm so excited about this deal. So a really good and cheap deal right now is on the Garnier facial care. So they're on sale, buy 2, get a $5 extra buck, and the masks are included. So if you buy 2 of those, your total will be $6.58. I do not have any coupons or CRTs or anything to use with it. I have a $2 Garnier micellar water CRT, but these aren't micellar water, so that will not attach. So you'll pay the full $6.58 out of pocket. You can use extra bucks, Fetch Rewards, gift cards, whatever. Then you'll get back a $5 extra buck. So final cost would be $1.58 for both, or about 79 cents per face mask. So if you have a ladies' night coming up or a birthday, anything like that, you can definitely grab these and give it to your friends and family for super cheap. It will also track towards CVS Beauty. The next deal we're gonna do is on this Snuggle fabric softener here. Some of them have the purple bottles. Those are usually included as well. This store just has this bottle. It is gonna be on sale for just $2.99 this week. And we are gonna use this $1 off 1 digital coupon. Final cost is $1.99. Now that coupon also works on the all free and clear packs and the smaller one, the liquid detergent, or there's this variety as well. So whichever one you wanna pick up, definitely grab it this week. It's such a good price point. The next deal is going to be on some oral care. Optic White for Colgate is on sale for just $3.49, and buy one, get a $2 extra buck. So I'm going to be using this $1 off one digital coupon. It was available a while ago and I had sent it to my card, and it's showing my $3 whitening CRT is applying to this one. So that'll take off $4, which will wind up just coming down to being $3.49. You won't get the overage on that, but I will get back a $2 extra buck. So final cost for this will be free and a $2 moneymaker. The next deal we're gonna do is on CoverGirl. I'm gonna try to get that beauty bag to work. This is what printed at the red box today when you spend $30 on cosmetics. So let's see if we can get that done. CoverGirl is on sale as well. Spend $15, get a $6 extra buck. So what I'm gonna do is pick up one of these continuous lip colors. They're $6.79. And we're gonna use this $2 off one CoverGirl lip coupon. Then we are going to pick up one of these invisible concealers. They are $7.79. Or if you wanna grab a blush instead, the face coupon will work on both of those. And we're gonna use this $3 off one face coupon. Then we are going to grab an eyeliner. So over here, these eyeliners are $7.79. Can grab the one down here as well, $7.79. So I'm gonna grab this espresso probably. So that'll be $7.79. That is an eye product. And we are going to use this $3 off one CoverGirl eye coupon. Then I have one more lip coupon, or you can use a digital. There is a $2 digital lip coupon. Now, the product I was gonna buy was this. It's out of stock, unfortunately. That was the one I really wanted. So we are gonna improvise and see what else we can grab. Can either grab one of these lip liners here, $8.79. One of these lipsticks are $8.79 as well. So my math is gonna be a little off because I was assuming I was gonna buy the other product at $7.49, so it'll be about $1.30 off. But total for this is going to be about $31.36. We are going to be using all of those coupons and this 10 off of 30 CoverGirl CRT. We are going to be left to pay about $11.36. We're going to get back the $6 extra buck from doing the CoverGirl deal. It is a limit of one. Then we are going to get back a $3 beauty buck because we're spending more than $30 in CVS Beauty, and hopefully we'll get that beauty bag. So I'll let you guys know at the end if I have any issues, of course. Another body wash deal you can do would be on the soft soap. They are on sale this week for $4.99. If you go to the red box, you're gonna get a $1 instant coupon. And on softsoap.com, I believe there's still 75-cent off one printables. So final cost would be $3.25. Not the best deal, but if you do need some body wash, it's still some great savings. Okay, so we're back in from CVS and everything went well from what I saw. I haven't checked my receipts yet, but the system was not having an issue this time as far as having to give your extra bucks first. And that beauty bag CRT worked perfectly, so I got the beauty bag. I'm so excited. I'll go through that beauty bag and let you know what's inside in a minute. So yeah, what I did was had her scan everything, of course. Then I gave her my paper coupons and CRTs. She hit the total button, all my digitals came off. She let me know how much was before taxes, because extra bucks, you can't use extra bucks to pay for taxes at CVS. Then she let me know, I gave her my extra bucks, she scanned them, and then it was fine. So it didn't seem like it kicked anything off, which was great. And my $4 off to Skintimate CRT worked. Thank you to my subscriber who let me know about the vanilla being the like flavor or scent that works for those. So I'm really excited about that. Thank you so much. She said that she had watched it on Jody Dunn's YouTube. That's where she got it from. So let's go over these transactions. Oh, dagnabbit. Okay, found my receipt. That took me a minute. Anyway. So the first transaction I did was, I believe, the Skintimate and the Colgate and the Summer's Eve. So the coupons I had, there's a $3 for the Schick. The 2 $3 digital coupons I had for the Schick came off. The $1 Colgate came off. My Skintimate CRT came off. The 3 off of 12 had no issues. 2 off of 2 for the feminine care. I used a $6 beauty buck, and that's it. Paid the rest with 2 different Fetch Rewards gift cards, so I paid nothing out of pocket for that transaction. Got back my extra bucks. Put that right there. Then my second transaction, I did the Huggies, which I'm so excited about. And Fetch Rewards gave me back way more points than I kind of thought I was gonna get, because there were so many different bonuses on my account for the 17 count or higher Huggies pull-ups. It gave me back 2 of them. So from Fetch Rewards, as you can see, I got back 6,000 points, which makes the Huggies deal a $3 moneymaker for me, which is so great. So this is the Huggies deal. I did the Nivea body wash and the CoverGirl to get the Hello Beauty bag completely free. So these are all of the coupons. These are the paper coupons I gave her. The free beauty bag came off for $14.99. 3 off of 18 for the diapers that I had. 3 off of 12 body wash worked because my store does follow the 98% rule, and the 2 body wash came to $11.98, so it was almost there. Then I had a $10 care pass, $6 extra buck, and all these were extra bucks that I used. So yeah, so everything came off. It was good. Final cost was like $5, including taxes. I used another Fetch Rewards gift card, submitted it to Ibotta, got back $5, submitted it to Fetch Rewards, got back $6. That gave me back $11 right there. Then I got back a $5 extra buck from the Huggies deal, $5 extra buck for the Nivea, and a $6 extra buck for the CoverGirl. So that wound up being an amazing, amazing transaction. So I'm really excited about that one. Then I had just ran and grabbed the Head and Shoulders separate because I had forgotten to do it. It was on my sheet, but I just did that in its own separate transaction. So I used some extra bucks to cover the cost. I had a 3 off of 2 digital, paid the rest with a Fetch Rewards gift card. Not the best deal, but I was trying to stock up on some more shampoos, so that's why I did that. If you guys have any questions or anything, of course, let me know like usual. Real quick, let me go through this super cute Hello bag. So they are $14.99 and it's completely free with that coupon, and there's a bunch of things in it. So this is all the Sun Bum products. There is a, can't even get it. What is this? 3-in-1 leave-in daily hair treatment. That's pretty cool. I need to get more like It's a 10 or something, because the one that I have, I don't really like. 30 SPF sunscreen from Sun Bum. A cute little hair tie. Keep that in my truck. A sticker, if you want to put that on like a cooler or something. And then we have this SPF for your lips. So it's a lip balm, which is awesome because my lips do get pretty sunburnt when I go to the beach. So that is in it. Also got this Physicians Formula Killer Curves Mascara. Oh, how cute. A little tiny micellar water Garnier skincare. That is just so cute. Little makeup remover, which is awesome. Keep that in your purse or in your car. That is awesome. Burt's Bees Firming Moisturizing Cream. I'm really impressed with this beauty bag. That's awesome. Everything that we got. $3 coupon for CoverGirl Face. $3 coupon for any Maybelline New York product. Another coupon here, which is always great. Couponers love more coupons. So I would definitely say it's worth it. I did hear that some people were having issues with that, but I didn't have any issues with it. Going through, everything worked perfect. So definitely a successful day couponing. If you haven't checked out my $25 moneymaker transaction today at Walgreens. Click this video here. You can see all about it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to give the video a big thumbs up, and I will see you in my next video.